A big problem with subspindle work holding is concentricity. To be able to solve the problem of concentricity, it takes a logical process of elimination, basically. You have to, is it this? Because there can be a lot of things. Concentricity means you have to precisely hold it on the center of rotation of the spindle. Well, there's a lot of things that define the center of rotation. There's your spindle bearings. There's the sleeve that the bearings are mounted in. There's the sleeve that slides back and forth to close the collet. All of these things are inside of each other like a sandwich. If any one of those sandwich ingredients is off, you're going to be off center. So there's a lot of reasons for concentricity to be off. So we made a flow chart that allows you to logically step through and just eliminate, is it this? No. Is it this? No. Until you come up to what the problem really is. The problem is the sleeve in the machine. The problem with the bearings in the machine. The problem could be the spindle nose cap. The problem could be galled material stuck in the sleeve that needs to be polished out. Those are probably the major issues. Spindle misalignment can also be an issue. That usually doesn't show up as concentricity so much as damage to the part. Of those 5 or 6 causes of concentricity, to decide which one it is, and also it could be a poor collet or something like that. In our case, it's not poor collets. We guarantee our system doesn't add more than 2/10 or eccentricity to your machine, and that's a rock solid guarantee. We mean it.